Hey there, car enthusiasts. Imagine an SUV that's rugged, refined, and turbocharged for adventure. You're in for a treat, because today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Subaru Outback Turbo. A perfect blend of style, power, and functionality that's ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Let's kick things off with the exterior design. The 2026 Subaru Outback Turbo takes Subaru's rugged DNA and elevates it with a modern edge. Bold lines and a wider grille give it an aggressive stance, while refined details bring out its muscular charm. It's not just a car, it's a statement. One of the standout features up front is the black mesh grille paired with LED headlights that feature adaptive beam technology. These headlights aren't just for show. They enhance visibility during nighttime and off-road drives, making every journey safer while ensuring you turn heads wherever you go. Moving to the rear, practicality meets style. The hands-free tailgate is a game changer. Got your hands full? Just wave your foot under the bumper and voila, it opens. Perfect for those post-shopping sprees or loading up gear after a day outdoors. Plus, the dynamic taillights and integrated roof rails aren't just stylish. They make this SUV adventure ready, whether it's bikes, kayaks, or a rooftop tent. Now, let's step inside. Subaru has pulled out all the stops to design a cabin that's both luxurious and practical. From premium materials to a driver-focused layout, the 2026 Outback Turbo ensures every ride is comfortable. And yes, space is still a top priority, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo alike. But here's where it gets exciting. The heart of this beast. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine delivering a thrilling 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. Borrowed from the Subaru Ascent and fine-tuned for the Outback, this engine offers a spirited driving experience that's as fun on the highway as it is off the beaten path. So, whether you're tackling rugged trails, cruising city streets, or embarking on epic road trips, the 2026 Subaru Outback Turbo is built to go the distance. Its powerful performance, stylish design, and practical features make it a must-see for SUV fans.